Alright, so I have no idea how good you can hear me, but here we go. That is a subsoiler. This is a broken subsoiler. Here's the other half. And we're fixing to make a repair on this thing. Stick around. There it goes. Let's tear down! So, per regular fashion, battery died on the GoPro. there's what we made it 3 pieces wide. Get up there. Yeah. You get the picture. Oh, hey. So what we did, this is the one that was broke. There's one that's not. There's your top link, your 2 pieces, or your 2 3-point hitch arms. One solid right there. This one was broke right back in here. Put it back together, scabbed on each side of it, tie the braces back into it. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We'll see. Anyway, just a little late night welding project, getting ready for tomorrow. You guys like this kind of content, don't forget, like it, click the little bell so you know when we're doing something else. Subscribe if you ain't done it. Who knows? We both might learn something. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch y'all later.